Alright, so hello everyone and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode, which this time is about how to double your LinkedIn outreach success with the right message strategy. I'm Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Levy Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look at this outreach success. Reaching out to someone on LinkedIn can feel intimidating, and let's be honest, most call messages just don't get responses. But with the right strategy, you can double your outreach success and start more meaningful conversations. So, why cold outreach on LinkedIn usually fails, and how to, let's say, fix it? Most outreach messages fail because they lack personalization. So a lot of people, they do mistake that they don't really connect to their prospect, and they feel like copy paste templates. Then the second might be that they are too self-promotional. They focus on selling rather than adding value and the personal connection. The third one is usually that it's too long, so no one wants to read an essay from a stranger. And the last is that have no clear purpose, so the recipient doesn't know why you are reaching actually out. So some of the best practices are that you shift your focus from what can I get to how can I help, so that you are in the service. So really genuine connection lead to better responses. Then you make it personalized, so mention something unique about the people. So what is their last post about? So for example, Nicole is writing about motherhood, so here you can, for example, connect with her. Hey Nicole, I saw your last post about motherhood and XYZ, and this really resonated with me. Then you can also make it value driven, which means that you focus on their needs. So when you, for example, go to the Nicole profile, you can already tell what she needs help with, so that you really make it value driven. Then you make it concise, which means aim for 3 to 5 sentences maximum. You don't want to make it really long because people just don't want to read. They read too much nowadays on social media. And the last is to make it actionable. So end with a simple, low pressure call to action. So for example, call me, let me know more about it, anything, but give call to action so that there is running conversation. So how to structure a winning LinkedIn message? So first, you want to say something hi and establish a connection, share interest, mutual contact, or recent post. So you want to have some connection with the person. Then you make some personalized comments, so mention something about their work, achievements, or recent content, what you like about their content, what you like about their business. Then you make value proposition, explain why you are reaching out and how it benefits them. And the last, you make call to action. So for example, if I would be reaching out to Nicole, here we would go to the email of the sales navigator, which is my premium, so I can actually contact people. And I would, for example, put expanding my network, and I would mention something like Nicole hi Nicole, my name is Marie and I just saw your post XYZ, which will get then the introduction. After that, we want to make the personalized comment, so something about their work. So we saw her on TEDx. I saw you on TEDx and thought you might be the best fit for something. Then we already told her that she might be the best fit. This is the value proposition. Then wanna jump on a quick call and discuss it. So this would be the best. This would be actually the best message to send, because it's really straightforward. 2 sentences. We give call to action. And here, instead of expanding network, we are actually inviting. invitation to something. So, like this, you create the best cold outreach that Nicole will definitely reply. So, should you send a follow up message? This depends. I'm not really in favor of the follow up message. I actually, if somebody reach out to me and I don't reply because it's too salesy and they follow up, then I don't reply at all and I usually block them, report them. But if it's something like this, that it's really well crafted, then I would definitely reach out again and follow up with Nicole. Because then I would wait like 5 to 7 days before following up. I would again keep it short and polite. Then I would offer additional value, like for example, more details about that thing that I want to invite her, and I would keep conversation warm without being pushy. So these are few tips how to actually make your LinkedIn outreach success with the right message strategy. I'm Marisa Metsnikova, the CEO and founder of Mario Olivi Ltd. Definitely follow me on LinkedIn if you want to get more tips, and go to my website mariolivi.com where you can get in touch with me if you want to get consultation, discuss your marketing outreach, funnels, digital products, or just simple audit of your LinkedIn profile. And don't forget to subscribe and like our video on YouTube, and I will see you next time. Bye.